Hey, I found a great product. I'd never thought of this after all these years of every year maybe getting new seat cushions because they fade, they get wet, dry, etc. They're still nice cushions, but the color's gone. And I found this product, and you can see here I've already, they're just covers. And these were green, faded green. And you just got your little Velcro straps right around there. Went right over the cushion. They feel nice. I think they look great. They come in multiple sizes, big packs like this, and they feel good. I actually really like them. This is so if I got some footrests or smaller cushions, but they stretch really nice like that. I mean, look at this. They bite. They're kind of silky kind of, but you know you can't see through it. It's got thickness to it. So if you're looking to replace cushions, maybe you might want to just buy covers, and then you could buy multiple. They got all kinds of styles. I had a hard time deciding what I wanted. So I did something for the front, different color. I did this pattern for the back deck, and I like it. So your creativity is all yours. Check them out and see if there's something that works for you.